12 must-eat foods that boost your brain health and prevent dementia. Do you know that eating certain types of food can help keep your brain functioning optimally and even help prevent diseases like dementia? And there are certain foods too that can harm the brains. Yes, what we eat in terms of brain health can either benefit or harm your brains. Your brain is the most important organ in your body. It keeps your heart beating, lungs breathing, and all the systems in your body functioning. That's why it's essential to keep your brain working in optimum condition with a healthy diet. Some foods have negative effects on the brain, impacting your memory and mood and increasing your risk of dementia. Estimates predict that dementia will affect more than 65 million people worldwide by 2030. Fortunately, you can help reduce your risk of the disease by cutting certain foods out of your diet. In today's video we will discover foods that can help your brain function optimally and worst foods to avoid, so stay tuned. Welcome back dear subscribers to the Fragrant Life channel. Thank you for your choosing and sticking to this channel, the Fragrant Life channel. We will make sure to always bring to you the most beneficial, informative videos on health, lifestyle, beauty and wellness contents, etc. To our new friends, you are welcome here. Please hit the subscribe button and subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on our regular beneficial health contents. The Mediterranean diet is often recommended for boosting brain health since it centers on eating whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes, and fish. Studies have shown that following this eating style can reduce high blood pressure, which is a risk factor for Alzheimer's disease. If you are looking to improve your brain health, here are 12 must-eat foods that provide essential nutrients that support your brain's cognitive processes and help maintain its good health. And 7 worst foods you must avoid. 12 must-eat foods to boost your brain health and prevent dementia. 1. Tomatoes. Did you know that tomatoes are excellent for your brain health? This is because they contain lycopene, a potent carotenoid that helps to protect against mental diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A single medium tomato contains around 3.2 milligrams of lycopene. However, if you want more, you can find it in tomato sauces, pastes, and ketchup. To get the most benefit from lycopene intake, it is recommended to eat between 9 and 21 milligrams per day. 2. Nuts. Nuts are widely known for their health benefits, providing the human body with important proteins and healthy fats. Of all different types of nuts, walnuts are prized for their rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. This powerful combination has been known to reduce mental decline and improve cognitive performance, as demonstrated by a 2021 study that found that adults who eat 15 to 30 grams of nuts daily have notably higher cognitive scores than those who ate less. 3. Coffee and tea. Coffee and tea provide more than just a morning energy jolt. Caffeine has been known to improve the brain's ability to process information, while coffee is loaded with antioxidants which may help improve overall brain health. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that can work to reduce stress and anxiety levels, 2 important factors for healthy brain functioning. Generally, up to 400 milligrams of caffeine per day, roughly 4 cups of coffee or black tea, is what is considered safe for most adults. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, lichio spinach, collards, and kale are some of the best foods for brain health. These nutrient-rich plants provide essential vitamins such as beta-carotene, folic acid, lutein, and vitamin K to help cognitive performance. Studies have even suggested that diets rich in plant-based foods can reduce age-related cognitive decline. For optimal brain health benefits, aim to consume a quarter cup of leafy greens per day or 1.5 to 2 cups per week. 5. Whole grains. Eating whole grains like oats, barley, and brown rice is a key part of any healthy diet. Not only do they help support your cardiovascular health, but they are also an excellent source of natural vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps reduce free radicals and can protect your neurological health. For optimal health benefits, the recommended intake is 3 servings of whole grains daily, totaling at least 48 grams. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is an important vegetable that should be replenished regularly for good brain health. It contains glucosinolates which, when in contact with water, produce isothiocyanates. These metabolites have neuroprotective properties which help maintain strong mental function. Adults should aim to eat 1.5 to 2.5 grams of cruciferous veggies such as broccoli per week, according to USDA guidelines. Remember to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to your family and friends. Number 7. Salmon and tuna. Salmon and tuna are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial to the brain. Research suggests that these fats may lower levels of beta-amyloid in the blood, a protein that forms clumps in the brain and is associated with Alzheimer's disease. To get your recommended dose, aim for 2 servings per week of omega-3 rich fish such as salmon and tuna. Make sure to choose varieties low in mercury for maximum benefit. 8. Berries. Berries are abundant in flavonoids and thus, great foods for the brain. Not only do they brighten your plate with their vibrant colors, but they can also help improve your memory and reduce mental decline. Research has shown that eating at least 2 handfuls of berries per week can slow down memory loss by up to 2.5 years. So, don't forget to add these yummy fruits to your weekly meals for a happier and healthier life. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is full of antioxidants, flavonoids, and caffeine, all of which are great for brain health. To reap the most benefits from dark chocolate, aim to snack on 30 to 60 grams of at least 70% dark chocolate a few times a week. Not only can it help improve your brain function but can also come with a delicious treat. 10. Seeds. Seeds are a great snack that are packed with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Sunflower seeds contain vitamin E which has many brain advantages, while pumpkin seeds have high levels of antioxidants as well as copper, iron, magnesium and zinc. Eating 1/8 to quarter cup of mixed seeds 3 or 4 times a week can help reduce cognitive decline or risks associated with Alzheimer's disease, depression and epilepsy. For a tasty treat, try adding chia or ground flax seeds to your daily routine. 11. Eggs. Eggs are the perfect choice for a nutritious and filling breakfast, providing a high-quality source of protein and essential B vitamins. Eating 1 egg per day is usually considered safe and recommended by health experts as it can help prevent brain loss in older adults due to B6, B12, and B9 vitamins. However, your doctor may offer a different recommendations based on your personal health condition and cholesterol levels. 12. Turmeric. Turmeric, an essential part of curry powders, has been found to hold several benefits for brain health, such as protecting against Alzheimer's and aiding in the growth of brain cells. To ensure that you get the recommended daily intake of turmeric, it may be necessary to take a curcumin supplement. Check with your doctor if this is the right option for you. 7. Foods you must avoid. 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks include beverages like soda, sports drinks, energy drinks, and fruit juice. A high intake of sugary drinks not only expands your waistline and boosts your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease, it also has a negative effect on your brain. An excessive intake of sugary drinks increases the odds of developing type 2 diabetes, which has been shown to increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 2. Refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates include sugars and highly processed grains, such as white flour. Research has shown that just a single meal with a high glycemic load can impair memory in both children and adults. Another study in healthy university students found that those who had a higher intake of fat and refined sugar also had poorer memory. 3. Foods high in trans fats. Trans fats are a type of unsaturated fat that can have a detrimental effect on brain health. While trans fats occur naturally in animal products like meat and dairy, these are not a major concern. It's industrially produced trans fats, also known as hydrogenated vegetable oils, that are a problem. Studies have found that when people consume higher amounts of trans fats, they tend to have an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease, poorer memory, lower brain volume and cognitive decline. 4. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods tend to be high in sugar, added fats, and salt. They include foods such as chips, sweets, instant noodles, microwave popcorn, store-bought sauces and ready-made meals. A study including 52 people found that a diet high in unhealthy ingredients resulted in lower levels of sugar metabolism in the brain and a decrease in brain tissue. These factors are thought to be markers for Alzheimer's disease. 5. Aspartame. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener used in many sugar-free products. Aspartame is made of phenylalanine, methanol, and aspartic acid. Phenylalanine can cross the blood-brain barrier and might disrupt the production of neurotransmitters. Additionally, aspartame is a chemical stressor and may increase the brain's vulnerability to oxidative stress. Another study found people who consumed artificially sweetened soft drinks had an increased risk of stroke and dementia, though the exact type of sweetener was not specified. Some experimental research in mice and rats has also supported these findings. A study of repeated aspartame intake in mice found that it impaired memory and increased oxidative stress in the brain. Another found that long-term intake led to an imbalance in antioxidant status in the brain. 6. Alcohol. When consumed in moderation, alcohol can be an enjoyable addition to a nice meal. However, excessive consumption can have serious effects on the brain. People with alcoholism often have a deficiency in vitamin B1. This can lead to a brain disorder called Wernicke's encephalopathy, which in turn can develop into Korsakoff syndrome. This syndrome is distinguished by severe damage to the brain, including memory loss, disturbances in eyesight, confusion, and unsteadiness. Overall, you should avoid excessive alcohol consumption, especially if you're a teenager or young adult, and avoid binge drinking entirely. If you are pregnant, it is safest to avoid drinking alcohol altogether. 7. Fish high in mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal contaminant and neurological poison that can be stored for a long time in animal tissues. After a person ingests mercury, it spreads all around their body, concentrating in the brain, liver, and kidneys. In pregnant women, it also concentrates in the placenta and fetus. The effects of mercury toxicity include disruption of the central nervous system and neurotransmitters and stimulation of neurotoxins, resulting in damage to the brain. There you have it, friends, 12 must-eat foods and 7 foods you must avoid to boost your brain health and prevent dementia. Health is wealth, isn't? And since your brain is the most important organ in your body, you will want to consistently incorporate these foods into your diet for optimal healthy brain free from dementia and Alzheimer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video to your family and friends. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.